Alright, we're back over here to my my shop AC unit, and done a couple things here. Just today I replaced a run capacitor that was bad also, and let's go up here, refresh our memory. We did the high pressure switch that one time. Replaced that. Replaced the compressor contactor, high pressure switch, run capacitor. And now the low pressure switch has failed. It's open right now. Has no reason to be. Even after the system is stabilized, it's open. So I'm going to do the same thing. Got myself a little low pressure control here. And I'll put it in one of my world famous access tees. And get it going again. I would like some heat. I'm tired of being cold. Alright, so got my little, gonna try out my new idea here. It's a ratcheting open end wrench, and I think that's gonna really help me out here when I go to tighten this onto the service port, so I can be a little quicker, won't lose much gas. See what happens. Now for redundancy, we're just going to check this low pressure switch, make sure it's good. Right now it should be open because it's exposed to atmospheric pressure, which is only 14 psi, and as you can see, it's open right now. That's good, because this is supposed to open at 25 psi or 30 psi or something like that. So that's good, and we'll test it again once we have it installed, as it should be closed at that time because it will be exposed to system pressure. Okay, we got that turkey in there. Man, I always hate working on this unit because everything is like behind this beam here. There's no moving that. I had to work on that SOB back there, but it's in there. Put some Raptor piss on there or whatever, and it ain't leaking. Got it tightened up, so we'll do our little continuity check here. Take our two leads from the switch here, and got the meter set to continuity. One on there. Same time, and we're closed. Cool. So that means I can hook that up. And where's the other one? Hook that up. And for some reason it still won't start. So okay. No more video. I figured it out. This goes to show this stuff likes to screw with you though. When I was pulling something off over here, while I was replacing the pressure switch, I knocked my yellow wire off and disconnected the wire nut. So I turned the disconnect back on a minute ago and it didn't fire up, and I was like, what the hell, And I was all bypassing the lockout relay and was seeing what was going on, and I looked over here and went, oops. Oh well. So I zip tied it, secured everything and zip tied it so that doesn't happen again. You may have noticed these are ballast wires. I was a little bit short. The thermostat was controlled from over here before, and those are those wires coming in there behind the pressure switch. Everything you can see. Those guys. But I wanted to be able to control it from my office, so I wouldn't have to walk over here, and then it would actually shut off at the right time when I was comfortable. And so I pulled the thermostat wire through the supply duct over there. Just happened to have a little access door on this side, and I came up that much short, so I just did the rest with ballast wire, and it seems to work. Gets ample voltage through there, so not a problem. But that's it. So another one on Frankenstein here, and we're heating away. So talk to you later.